Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert your own picture from your gallery to your document on the Canva application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should go to your home page by tapping on the home button and then click on Docs at the top. And now click on Doc. Once the page is loaded in, tap on the plus icon that you will be able to find in the left side corner down below. Tap on it. Click on Camera Roll, which is the third button. Tap on Grant Permission by enabling the app to have access to your photos. So click on Photos, tap on Selected Photos, and then go back to the app. It might take a few seconds till it is loaded. Then open the document again. Tap on the plus icon, repeat the steps, click on Camera Roll, tap on Select More Photos, and here you can find your pictures, so tap on it, click on Done at the top, and then you will be able to insert your image. Once you have selected it, here you can find it in the images section, tap on Add to Page, and then you will be able to insert. If you tap on the filter button, you can add the filter to it, adjust the brightness, saturation, and so on, and you can copy paste it and delete it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.